So today I want to show you how to use photos to make a video, how you can use your photos to create a video. I have this video pinned on my timeline, and a lot of people came asking how I created that video with just photos. Okay, I want to show you how to do that today, so you can start creating even AI photos if you don't have content, and then you put these photos together and create a video out of it. So follow me, let me show you how to create this video. But before we get there, please, if you're watching me for the first time, do well to follow. Don't forget to, and also don't forget to drop a nice comment, and don't hesitate to ask any questions. Now let's go. So guys, when you get to your screen, you click to Capcut and click new project. Then it will take you to your gallery, so it takes you to photos. The circle there indicates that you can select as many photos as you can. So you start selecting the photos that you want to use for your video, okay? And the number of photos you select will depend on how long the message or the music you're putting on your background or the information you want to pass is. That is the number you would take. So then select add. When you select add, it brings you here. Now you can see the photos are there already. And when you click the little rectangle there, yeah, you will see that you will start playing. You see it's already moving like a photo. But now if you want more activity to be going on in your video, like should look more like a video and nice, you have to do transition and look at the white square. You click the white square, it will bring you to this page. The pro you see there is for people who have upgraded their Capcut app to pro. They pay monthly or yearly, so they have more features. Now I'll go with the free one. You do not see any pro, so if you click there, okay, I'm clicking on the free one. Then look at this blue line down here. Make sure that you take it to the end, so the transition won't be so fast. It's going to be slow, nice and beautiful. Then scroll down. Okay, yeah, I'm taking it backward and forward for you to see. So when you take it to the end, it's slow. Yeah, you see how nice it is. And next you scroll down and see apply to all. That is, the transition should apply to all the photos. Okay, you click that, then you click the tick to save whatever you have done the editing, and that is it. So when you click, that is the video playing. So the next thing now you want to do now is, if you want to maybe add a sound, or you want to do a voiceover, or you want to add a music, whatever you want to do, you just need to click audio. The little thing that, like TikTok, you see sounds, brand music, copyright, sound fix, text to audio. Okay, so you will just scroll. If you don't want to add music, you want to do like you with your own voice, you click the recorder or whatever you want to use. You can use the sound. We are going to do another video on how to do a voiceover. Okay, yeah, so you just click the sound, it starts playing, and then next thing you have to do is, if you don't want the sound, you delete it. I don't want it. Then you click the tick, and then you have your beautiful video. That is all. So thank you so much for watching this far. Please do well to follow, do well to click the like button, and also drop a comment. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.